The human liver is the only organ capable of extraordinary self-regeneration, functioning like a complex biological factory that processes everything we consume every single day. However, when faced with fatty liver disease, this vital factory struggles and requires specific raw materials to effectively activate its natural and miraculous self-repair processes. Today, we will analyze 7 powerful superfoods that help reverse this condition based on solid scientific evidence, giving your liver the tools it needs to heal. Understanding the biological mechanism of recovery is essential because it allows us to choose foods that directly support cell division and the removal of toxic waste. I am here to guide you through a science-backed nutritional strategy that targets inflammation and fat accumulation, restoring your liver to its optimal, healthy state. By focusing on specific phytonutrients, we can unlock the liver's potential to detoxify itself, ensuring that every cell functions efficiently to maintain your overall bodily health. Let's explore these 7 superfoods that act as biological catalysts for liver repair. Starting with a powerful group of vegetables found in almost every local market. These natural ingredients are more than just food, they are medicine for your liver, capable of transforming your internal health when consumed consistently and correctly. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts are the ultimate liver shields, packed with potent sulfur compounds that trigger deep detoxification within the liver cells. The star compound here is sulforaphane, which activates phase 2 detoxification enzymes, helping the liver neutralize harmful toxins and flush out excess fat deposits effectively. Regular consumption of these greens has been shown to reduce oxidative stress and prevent the accumulation of lipids that lead to dangerous fatty liver symptoms over time. To preserve these vital enzymes, try steaming your vegetables lightly rather than boiling them, as high heat can destroy the very compounds that protect your liver. By including just 1 serving of these vegetables daily, you provide a steady supply of sulforaphane to keep your liver's defense systems running at peak performance. Next is turmeric, the golden spice of life, renowned for its incredible anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to protect liver cells from permanent scarring and damage. The active ingredient, curcumin, works by blocking the pathways that lead to liver fibrosis, ensuring that your liver remains flexible and functional throughout your entire life. However, curcumin is difficult for the body to absorb on its own, which is why you must always pair it with a pinch of black pepper. Piperine in black pepper increases the absorption of curcumin by a staggering 2,000%, making this simple combination one of the most effective liver treatments. Create a simple daily ritual by mixing half a teaspoon of turmeric into warm water, ensuring the temperature is ideal for dissolving the beneficial organic compounds. This golden elixir acts as a daily flush for your liver, reducing inflammation and supporting the healthy flow of bile to aid in overall fat digestion. The ideal ratio is roughly 10 parts turmeric to 1 part black pepper. This synergy is the key to unlocking the full therapeutic potential of the spice. Combining these 2 powerhouses, cruciferous vegetables and turmeric, creates a formidable defense against fatty liver, tackling both the root causes of inflammation and toxic buildup. Consistency is your best friend when using these foods. Small, daily habits lead to massive improvements in liver enzyme levels and overall energy in weeks. Science confirms that sulforaphane can actually slow down the progression of liver damage, making these common vegetables a mandatory part of any liver recovery diet. As inflammation decreases, the liver can finally redirect its energy from fighting damage to rebuilding healthy tissue, effectively reversing the signs of fatty liver disease. Never underestimate the power of black pepper. It is the bioenhancer that ensures every milligram of turmeric you consume actually reaches your liver cells. By mastering these 2 groups of foods, you have already built a solid foundation for liver health, but we still have more powerful tools to explore. Now, let's talk about smart beverages. Starting with green tea, A drink legendary for its high concentration of catechins and powerful antioxidant effects on the body. The most important catechin is egcg, which directly targets the fat stored in your liver, stimulating fat oxidation and helping to clear out the toxic buildup. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily has been clinically linked to lower liver enzyme levels, which is a primary indicator of reduced inflammation. Next is a surprise for many: high-quality coffee. Pure black coffee is one of the best things you can drink to protect your liver from scarring. Caffeine and specific antioxidants in coffee trigger the production of glutathione, the body's master antioxidant, which neutralizes free radicals and prevents the formation of scar tissue. Studies show that coffee drinkers have a significantly lower risk of developing cirrhosis and liver cancer, making it a powerful ally in your daily health routine. To get the most out of green tea, brew it at 80 degrees Celsius for 3 to 5 minutes. Boiling water can burn the delicate healthy leaves. Remember, for coffee to be effective for your liver, it must be consumed black, without the addition of inflammatory sugar, artificial sweeteners, or heavy dairy creams. These antioxidants act like a shield for the cell membrane, ensuring that environmental toxins cannot easily penetrate and damage the DNA of your precious liver cells. Lowering your liver enzymes is a clear sign that the organ is no longer under heavy stress, allowing it to function normally and regulate your metabolism. A pro tip: wait 30 minutes after eating before drinking tea, as the tannins can sometimes interfere with the absorption of essential minerals like iron. The complex chemistry of coffee provides a unique combination of polyphenols that work synergistically to maintain the structural integrity of your liver's internal architecture. Swapping out sugary sodas or energy drinks for green tea or black coffee is perhaps the simplest and most effective change you can make for liver health. These beverages go straight to work, providing immediate antioxidant support to the liver, which is the first organ to process everything we ingest through our diet. By making these drinks a permanent part of your lifestyle, you are investing in the long-term resilience and detoxification capacity of your entire biological system. Now that we've covered these smart beverages, let's move on to the essential healthy fats that your liver actually needs to heal and thrive every day. Superfood number 5 is the avocado. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados are also a powerhouse for the production of liver-protecting glutathione in the body. Glutathione is the primary weapon your liver uses to filter out harmful chemicals. Without it, the organ would quickly become overwhelmed by modern environmental toxins. Eating just half an avocado a day provides the building blocks your liver needs to keep its filtration system running smoothly and prevent cellular oxidative damage. Then there is extra virgin olive oil. Many people fear fat when they have a fatty liver, but olive oil is actually a medicinal fat for recovery. The oleic acid in olive oil improves insulin sensitivity, which is crucial because insulin resistance is often the underlying cause of fat being stored in the liver. By improving how your liver responds to insulin, olive oil helps the body burn stored fat for fuel instead of keeping it trapped in your liver cells. For a powerful detoxifying effect, combine 1 tablespoon of olive oil with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This mixture stimulates the gallbladder to release bile. Bile flow is essential for moving toxins out of the liver and into the digestive tract for elimination, preventing the stagnation that often leads to inflammation. Not all fats are created equal. While trans fats and refined vegetable oils harm the liver, these natural plant fats are the keys to its eventual regeneration. Integrating these fats into your meals makes the food more satisfying, which also helps you avoid the sugary snacks that contribute to fatty liver disease. Every slice of avocado is a dose of vitamin E and healthy lipids that work together to repair the damaged membranes of your hard-working liver cells. Think of olive oil as a high-quality lubricant for your metabolic machinery, allowing your liver to process nutrients and toxins with far less internal friction. When the liver uses healthy fats for energy, it produces fewer free radicals, which significantly slows down the aging and degradation of the entire organ's tissue. By choosing avocado and olive oil, you are actively pushing the bad fat out of your liver and replacing it with functional, life-supporting cellular structures. This simple dressing is more effective than many expensive supplements, providing a direct biological stimulus for the liver's natural cleansing and detoxification pathways every day. Our final two superfoods are small but mighty, garlic and walnuts, both of which contain unique compounds that activate the liver's most important detoxifying enzymes. Garlic is rich in allicin and selenium. These two nutrients work together to trigger the liver to produce enzymes that are responsible for flushing out toxins. Allicin specifically helps to reduce the buildup of fat in the liver and has powerful antimicrobial properties that protect the organ from low-grade internal infections. To activate the allicin, you must mince or crush the garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking or eating it to allow enzymes to work. Walnuts are unique among nuts because they contain high levels of the amino acid arginine, which helps the liver neutralize and detoxify poisonous ammonia. Ammonia is a toxic byproduct of protein metabolism, and if the liver can't neutralize it effectively, it can cause brain fog, fatigue, and systemic inflammation. Just 30 grams of walnuts a day provides enough arginine and omega-3 fatty acids to support the liver's complex nitrogen cleansing cycle and maintain its health. This 10-minute rule for garlic is the secret to its medicinal power. It allows the chemical reaction that creates active allicin to reach its maximum peak. When your liver is free of ammonia and heavy metals, it can focus its full attention on breaking down fats and regulating your blood sugar levels perfectly. Try adding your garlic at the end of the cooking process to keep those sensitive sulfur compounds intact, ensuring your liver gets the full therapeutic benefit. The healthy oils in walnuts also help to reduce liver fat over time, making them one of the most effective snacks for anyone fighting fatty liver. Combining these 7 superfoods, greens, turmeric, tea, coffee, avocado, olive oil, and garlic, creates a comprehensive nutritional protocol for total and complete liver regeneration. To summarize, load up on cruciferous vegetables, use turmeric with pepper, enjoy black coffee and green tea, and don't forget your healthy fats and garlic. Remember, consistency is far more important than intensity. Small daily changes to your diet can lead to a completely renewed and healthy liver within months. Your liver has an incredible capacity to heal itself, provided you give it the right raw materials and remove the toxic burden of processed foods. As your liver heals, you will notice higher energy levels, clearer skin, and a sharper mind, as your body finally detoxifies itself properly every day. If you found this scientific guide helpful, please subscribe for more health insights and share this video with someone who needs to revitalize their liver. Take the first step today by adding one of these superfoods to your next meal. Your liver will thank you for years to come. Stay healthy.